Finally, you are landed into the job interview and you're thinking like, yes, this job is meant for me only. But suddenly, employer has asked you one question and asking, if I offer you this role, how you are planning to contribute in next 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. Please do let me know. And there you get the complete silence in your mind because you're not prepared for this question. Because this question either will give you the chance to take up this job or will break it. What if you're going in the interview room with the proper clarity, with confidence, and showing you're absolutely ready to answer this question and showcasing your leadership skill? So, if you wanted to know, watch this video until the end. Yeah, and yes, important. If you're stuck up in any of the question in the recruitment or interview process, don't forget to write me on my email, that is tejaswita@procareerignition.com, or you can write that question into the comment section below the video. I'll create a video specially for you and I'll deliver it to you. So let's begin. Let's understand what is this topic and let's begin this. Hello everyone, and I'm Tejaswita. I'm a career comeback coach with over 18 years of experience into recruitment. I have helped many professionals, many women who wanted to restart their career. I'm helping them to not only to get the clarity but also to build the confidence with the giving a proper recruitment strategy. And now this question has come, one of the participant like, ma'am, I have the interviews and everything, and one of my interviewer asked me this question. Now how to answer that? So let me give you the simple plan, like how you can plan out 30, 60, 90 days and what exactly you need to do in that. So it will showcase your qualities, your strength, how you are thinking, whether you are restarting your career or relaunching your career, or you're already in the existing job. But whenever you are starting a new job in a new company, you always feel like how to adjust in the environment, what are the action I need to take it. So let's deep dive into this process, like what you need to do, and let's understand this one. Prepare the plan for the 30, 60, 90 days. When you're changing your career or restarting your career, okay, in new company, the environment, people, it's all new. So you always think like I'm starting from the zero. But if you're thinking like that, that's a wrong thing. Employer has selected you on the basis of your strength, on your skills. So you have skill set, you have certain strength which is required for that particular role, and that is a gold mine. Okay, so if you're thinking like I am getting too much pressure, I'm not very sure whether how to adjust in the environment, don't worry about that. You are going to perform on the basis of your skill set, and where you are, from there you have to take it one step ahead. So 30, 60, 90 days plan is basically to have the clarity, to have the focus. For example, if I talk about like whenever your kids are going in the new school, how you plan? Okay, first you initially start with the books purchasing, then you start go and meet your teacher, class teacher, and then you try to understand who are there in the class. So this is all homework you do. But if you divide that homework into the 30, 60, 90 days, your journey will become a smoother. So simultaneously understanding the work profile, same time you're taking care of the other things also without ignoring. So how to do that? First 30 days, what are things you need to take care of? 60 and 90 days, let's understand that. So let's talk about the first 30 days, what you are supposed to do. So the first 30 days is very crucial because you are adapting the culture, you are understanding the company environment, you are understanding the people to whom you have to report, to whom with whom you are going to work, what are the company policies are there, what is the company mission, vision is there. So you need to soak it. So basically you need to become a sponge. As much as knowledge you need to soak it, you have to understand like how company is functioning, what company is expecting. So as much as you soak it. Second important thing, build relationship with your colleagues. That is also important because in previous video I mentioned, more you build a good relationship, it is easier for you to adjust in the environment. If any work is pending, if you're not understanding, you can cross check. As I said, you already have the skill set. Employer has selected you because you're matching with this skill set. Now what you need to do, you need to perform on that, and you need to showcase your strength and take one step above whatever role you are handling, because you should also feel comfortable, you should also feel like from previous shop to this shop, if you have shifted for the growth purpose. Now for the growth purpose, first 30 days this is important, because new manager, new colleague and everything. So ask as many as question, take as many as notes, understand the psychology, what company is expecting, understand the tools, process. There are a lot of trainings are there. Go through those training, complete that training, create your notes. So as I said, you have to become the complete the absorbing sponge, you have to make it. If I talk about the example, if you are the digital marketing person and you're shifting from one company to another company and you're aware about the tools, but first 30 days you need to understand which tools they are using. If any tool is not, you are aware, if you're not excellent, you need to get the excellency, you have to learn about that. You should know about like a what culture is having, you should know like a what brand tone they are using, who are the clients, how they are working with them, what are their expectations and everything, what team is doing, what is your role, what how you can contribute, everything you will understand that. So this is about the first point, first 30 days, how you can adjust yourself, become a sponge and grab as much as soak completely in the knowledge, grasp everything what company is giving you. Now let's talk about the 60 days, like what you're supposed to do. So first thing, whatever you have learned, you have to contribute that, like a contribute and the collaboration. Whatever learning has happened, if you are adding that, that is good for you, because employer will also understand how much you have learned, how much you learn about the company culture, that particular role, and how you are able to implement that. Then second important thing, start taking the small project. I'm very sure like from the day one you will start getting the ideas, you will start getting the projects also, but start implementing the knowledge which you have learned slowly, gradually. If you are stuck into the process, make sure like you will check with your colleague. And third important thing, start giving your suggestions, because you, though you're starting your career freshly, or you are jumping from one company to another company, if you are shifted, or you have taken a career break, but you have experience. If you are completely fresher, then you can start with the small project. But if you are already having an experience, then you can take the project, you can understand. First 30 days, as I said, you need to become a sponge, you have to grasp as much as knowledge what company is expecting, and gain the knowledge also, and implement that in the next 60 days. In the next 30 days you need to implement that. The example which I talk about, like a digital marketing. Now here is a chance, like if you're handling any project and if you're thinking like based on your previous experience, you can bring some changes here that will benefit to the company. Open your mouth and say, give your suggestion and tell manager like if we will do this, possibly the impact will come. What that shows, it shows like you are coming with the proper preparation. You're not just thinking, okay, just a thought came and you are putting that that thought in the on the table. In fact, you have prepared everything, you understood what company is expecting, what client is expecting, and accordingly you are giving the suggestion. So if you will follow this plan, your journey will become a smoother, and employer also will start understanding what qualities you are having, and they will start comparing the KRA which is decided by the employer. They will start understanding whether the whatever the task has assigned, whether person is able to perform or not. So this 60 days is basically for this. Whatever you have learned it, implement that, do the collaboration, put it into the project, that knowledge, and then give the suggestions also as and when it is required. Don't afraid to give the suggestions. Let's talk about the 90 days, and this is your focus time. Most importantly, lead and optimize. Now, what you need to do, you started implementing in the 60 days. Okay, now here is the time to take the lead, take the projects, explain them. Okay, whatever knowledge you are having, implement that completely. Take the core responsibility which you can. If it is required, you can lead the call also. So that is about the taking the ownership next 90 days. So you will showcase all your skill set here. First, you soak the knowledge. Second, you started understanding, implementing whatever the procedure processes they are following, and implementing your knowledge also. And third thing, in the 90 days, you are taking the ownership. And that showcase like how you are fully prepared for your 30, 60, and 90 days plan. Now the question comes how to present this in front of the interviewer. So it's a very simple. You need to keep it very structured, short. You don't need to give the big answer. You can always say like a first 30 days I'm planning, or I would immerse myself into understanding the company culture. I'll meet the teammates. I'll soak as much as knowledge, absorb as much as knowledge what company is giving. I'll go through the company training, everything I'll go through. Next 60 days, in 60 days plan my is the way implementation. I will contribute in this way. You can mention about that, whatever the role is there. And third thing, you can mention about like I'm ready to take a lead. Okay, I feel like after having a 30, 60 days, I will be ready to take a lead, to take care of the project, to meet with the clients, and many more things. And this way you can present yourself. If you're not confident, then you can write it on the piece of paper and you can read it before you enter into the room. Because nowadays this question become very common in the interview. Let me know, because if the employer is hiring you, they wanted to know what is your thought process if you're joining this company, especially for this role. If you're confused, like you're not very sure, then they will themselves are not sure like whether they will select you or not. But if you're ready with this answer, your chances are very high you will get this job offer. So be ready with this question, because 90% this question are asked by most of the employer. So I would like to thank you all my participants who are sharing this kind of a question, and I'm getting a lot of topics to create the YouTube video on this. So thank you very much. And yes, if you're liking such kind of a video, and as I mentioned, if you're having any question, any query, you can write me on my email, that is sejasvita@procareerignition.com, or you can send in the comment section. I'll create a video and send it to you. And what is your job right now? If you're stuck into the such kind of a process, or your friend is stuck into this such kind of a process, please share this video to your friend or your colleague, so they will understand what is the importance of this question. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and your family friends. Until the time, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.